Okay, page 48. We're gonna revisit the A side first, and we're gonna know that what is the question asking us to do. So rationalize in the denominators and simplify. So you all know what rationalize mean. So let's jump directly into question number 10. Okay, so this one looks like it's the hardest one. So first of all, right, we're gonna do some housekeeping. By housekeeping, it means that we can calculate whatever we can calculate. In this case over here, what we can calculate is the first part and also the second part. The first part being this part, and then the second part being this part. Okay, now let's do the first part first. We're gonna, create our arrows over here, so then we know that the sequence of operation. We're gonna do root 6 times root 6, right, according to this. And then we're gonna do root 6 times 2 minus root 6 times 2. And then we're gonna do plus 3 times root 6, right? That's the third one. And then fourth, and the last one is minus 3 times 2, which is minus 6. Now, the second part, the 3, I cannot rationalize or I cannot multiply it or reduce it to the denominator, so I can just throw it to the numerator. So this will become 12 root 2 over root 3. We're going to rationalize it a little bit later, but I just want to show you guys the step one by one, okay? It's always harder for me to erase it. So let me erase the whole thing and then rewrite it again. Okay, done. All right, so the first part, this is going to be 6 minus 2 root 6 plus 3 root 6 minus 6 again. Oh, interesting. So what we're going to do is that the 6 and 6 will cancel each other out, and then the minus 2 root 6 or negative 2 root 6 plus the 3 root 6 will become root 6. Okay? And then the next part, now I can start rationalize. So rationalize basically means that you multiply the denominator radical and the numerator radical at the same time. So when I see this one, how do I rationalize this? Is I want to rationalize by multiply 12 root 2 over root 3 by root 3 at the same time. In this case, I'm able to rationalize, or what I call it, the neutralize the denominator radicals. So the denominator will no longer have the radicals. So this will give me 3 at the bottom, because root 3 times root 3 is 3. That's how you rationalize things, right? And then on the top, you'll get 12 root 6. And then the 3 and root 6 can cancel each other out, and then the 12 will become 4. So the top will be 4 root 6, and you will no longer have a denominator. Sometimes you will still leave with a denominator, but right now you don't have any denominator. That's the answer for this question. Root 6 plus 4 root 6. Okay? So, and at the end, I forgot one thing, is that 1 root 6 plus the 4 root 6 will be 5 root 6. Almost forgot. Okay? So the final answer for this question will be 5 root 6. All right? So hopefully this helps.